2 o'clock. A late start today. Just climbed up the escarpment. A lot more leaves on the trail today than there was before the weekend. Kind of a dull, dreary day across Quilpoise Bay. Fairly steep here. The bay is getting a lot wider. Come over here, you can see islands. White Cloud, Hay, and Griffin Islands. Same islands I saw 4 days ago from Skinner's Bluff. Same old view. This lookout actually had a sign saying, "Look out." Told you. An interesting slab of rock. Walking along the edge of this little crack in here. Probably 30 feet deep. Another Bruce Trail escalator. There's an overhang there. Just a little more climbing in the last kilometer and a half. Another dull, cloudy day. 9 o'clock in the morning. A little different view. You see Quilpoise Bay meeting up with the larger body of water, Georgian Bay. Been hiking for an hour. A little lookout here and a bench. Rocks straight down there. A couple 100 feet anyway. Quite a different view of the bay from here. I'll just step back away from the edge. We'll go on to this edge. Headed down the road to my next bluff to climb. Look, it's probably Cape Croker. This is the Cape Croker Indian Park. 11 o'clock. I'll have my lunch and then head down the trail. Came through the Indian Park right down to the bay. Now, of course, I'll have to get back up there. Getting closer to the bluffs now. They said climbing steeply, and they weren't kidding. Been climbing up for 10 minutes. A bit more to go to get to the top. Been climbing for 15 minutes. Some of these boulders are giant steps. I think I can at least see the cliff. 20 minutes, and the end is in sight. Bruce Trail escalator. The first step is up to my waist. The others look almost normal. This is my first view from the top, looking across Sydney Bay. You can see the canoes that I was at an hour ago. And the marshy area I came across, 900-meter boardwalk to get to here. See a little bit farther around Sydney Bay now. Yeah, like they should have made 1,000 of those signs. Okay, I'm finally at the ladder, which lets me know that, without tripping and falling. Okay, now I'm down this part that I was falling down. To the ladder, it lets me know I have 1.3 kilometers to go. Trying to make this 5-hour hike into a 6-hour hike. So we're going down under this rocky outcrop here. 9 o'clock in the morning, heading for that bluff. And along by Hope Bay. 9:15, I'm headed back up the escarpment. There's the rounded erosion caused by waves a long time ago. Quarter to 10. I was up on top, and now I'm headed back down. Don't really know why. More scenic, I guess. Entrance to a little cave. Not going to go there today. First, look out over Hope Bay. Fog hasn't burned out yet. That little beach over there, where I came from an hour and a half ago. Along these cliffs. And the view to the north. An interesting indentation in the rock. Here's a nice little crevice. Proof that moss grows on all sides of a rock. Another interesting crevice. Okay, that helps. You can find the trail very easily by looking at the blazes. A small cave in there. A bit out of breath. Just did a long rocky descent, followed right after by a long rocky ascent. 12 o'clock, lunch at Jackson's Cove Side Road. I'm going to try this. Slippery rocks, filming and eating an apple. Just my canteen hitting the rock. Yeah, I saw some. First flat section I've seen today. A natural sidewalk. I normally jump it, but it's late in the day. Fog never really burned off. Fastest way down the escarpment, other than jumping, I'll take the stairs. On the beach at Rush Cove, half an hour behind schedule. This will be my last climb of the day. Rush Cove. And after 8 in the morning, I'm going to be all road walking today, so probably not much video. Rush Cove. There's a view over Rush Cove. Lion's Head over there. And I'm about to climb the escarpment. On the road. 8:30, still climbing up the escarpment on this road. Quarter after 9, and I'm headed for Lion's Head. On the road. Those are some really big mushrooms, over a foot tall. There's some windmills over by number 6 highway. Turtle Creek. Headed for the bay, which is right there.